am studying in UKG. My name is Janavi. I am studying in UKG.
Janapita Award winner from Karnataka.
Janapita Award winners from Karnataka. Nuyampu, Dara Bendre, Shivaram Kara, Vanti Venkatesh Iyengar, V.K. Gogal, Yuvanathamurthy, Girish Karnad, Chandrasekhar Kamrar.
Classical dance form of India.
Classical dance form of India. Bharatanatyam Tamil Nadu, Kathakali Kerala, Kathak Uttar Pradesh, Manipuri Manipur, Kuchipudi Andhra Pradesh, Odissi Odisha, Sataya Assam, Vankidar Madhya Pradesh, Dandiya Gujarat, Yakshagana Karnataka.
Rivers of India.
Rivers of India. Brahmaputra, Ganga, Godavari, Indus, Kaveri, Krishna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Periyar, Tamilapalli, Vaigai, Yamuna.
Four Vedas.
Four Vedas, Rigveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda.
Dasavatara of Lord Vishnu.
Dasavatara Lord Vishnu, Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Narasimha, Vamana, Parashurama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki.
Seven continents of the world.
Seven continents of the world. Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
Five oceans of the world.
Five oceans of the world. Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, Antarctic Ocean.
Seven wonders of India.
Seven wonders of India. Komeswara Temple, Karnataka. Hampi Temple, Karnataka. Golden Temple, Punjab. Gujarat Temple, Madhya Pradesh. Sun Temple, Odisha. Nalanda University, Bihar. Taj Mahal, Agra.
Prime Ministers of India.
Prime Ministers of India. Jawaharlal Nehru, Gujarilal Nanda, Lal Bahadur Shastri, Indira Gandhi, Oraji Desai, Charan Singh, Rajiv Gandhi, Vishwanath Pradhan Singh, Chandrasekhar, B.V. Narasimha, Atal Bihari Vajpayee, H.D. Devegowda, Ida Kumar Gujarat, Manmohan Singh, Narendra Modi.
Indian festival.
Indian festival. Ganesha Chaturthi, Navaratri, Dasara, Deepavali, Mahashivaratri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Moharram, Good Friday.
Women freedom fighter of India.
Women freedom fighter of India. Durgabai Deshmukh, Anna Sapalli, Tude Sakilpalli,
district in Karnataka,
district in Karnataka, Bagarkot, Ballari, Bidar, Bengaluru rural, Bengaluru urban, Belgavi, Chamarnagar, Chikmalapur, Chikbalanga, Chitradurga, Dakshina Kannada, Devanahalli, Dharwad, Assam, Haveri, Kalaburgi, Kodugu, Kolar, Koppala, Mandya, Mysore, Damanagara, Raichur, Shimoga, Todukul, Udupi, Uttara Kannada, Vijayapura, Yagiri.
top 10 Indian scientists,
Top 10 Indian scientists. APJ Abdul Kalam, Satyamnath Bose, Bemar Saha, Biplab Chandra Rai, Salim Ali, OPJ Baba, Ramchandra Bose, Naman Hujan, C.V. Raman, Subramanian Chandrasekhar.
official languages of India,
Official languages of India: Assami, Bengali, Kodo, Logri, Gujarati, Sindhi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Kongali, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
state and capital,
States and capital: Andhra Pradesh, Amravati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, Dispur, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gaندhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Himachal Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bengaluru, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Global, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Impal, Meghalaya, Shivam, Mizoram, Vaisahi, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh. Rajasthan, Jaipur, Sikkim, Ladakh, Tamil Nadu, Chennai, Telangana, Hyderabad, Tripura, Agartala, Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow, Uttarakhand, Telangana, West Bengal, Kolkata.
union territories,
Union Territory